Peace, love, and prosperity. Divine Culture Talk 99.9%. We coming in, tapping in with just divine greatness, just high level thinking, high level intellectual knowledge we bringing to the table, man. So look, man, y'all got to know about the elements in y'all body. Y'all got to know about these elements: earth, fire, wind, and air. Y'all must know about these elements, man. Y'all must know about these four major elements. You feel me? They're just the basic elements. You got 72% water in your body, 12% earth in your body. You feel me? You have 6% air in your body. You have 4% fire. The other 6% is space, ether. You know what you could say. That's how we say you tap into your Akashic records, tap into that ether inside of you. You feel me? Come on, man. If you have even a minor mastery over it, you will start living in ways that other people think is magical, man. You could take over your life. You could do things that nobody could think you can do. You can start YouTube page and start making money off of man. Like, you know, man, I made my YouTube page. Think about it, man. I'm on TV now. Like, you feel me? I'm on TV. Like, I got my own show. I can do what I want to do. I got my own podcast. I can just sit back and listen to myself. Like, I can do great things in so many ways. Like, I'm an author now. Like, this just blew my mind in so many ways. Learning metaphysical, learning the etymology of things, just learning different teachings, man. Just learning our sacred teachings, and hey, man, it's just beautiful. You can learn these four elements, man. These basic elements of creation. They'll set your life off, man. Particularly earth and water have a very strong sense of memory, man. So look, man, these elements even hold memory. Like, come on, man, these substances really hold memory. These four elements hold memory. Like, it is crazy that they have memory. Even modern day sciences has explored big ways proving that water has tremendous memory. That means you could talk to water. You could, man, whatever your water is, whatever you want to do, you could manifest things with your water. You feel me? Fam, there's 70% water in your body, 70% water on the planet. So come on, man, put two and two together, family. Let's get it, man. You heard me? The reproductive fire. You got three different types of fire inside your body. You got reproductive fire, you got digestive fire, and you got mental fire. You heard me? They can work at very easily. You feel me? They can be worked very easy. You feel me, man? It is, if you just purify these fires, then you are no more an ordinary person. You're just a healthy, happy person, man. You can do anything you want to accomplish. You can do great things, whatever you want to do, man. You heard me? You get a different mindset, a different perception. You get a different attitude, man. You can start a business like I did. All this just came just opening up my mind to different states of learning. When I found out that, you got miseducation, you got lack of education, you got a higher education, you got overeducated. You feel me? And hey, man, I had a lack of education, so I had to re-educate myself, man. Once I re-educated myself on health, once I re-educated myself on self, once I re-educated myself on astrology, once I re-educated myself on astrophysics, it was over, man. It was over. It was time to retrain the brain. And once I retrained the brain, I gained knowledge, man. I started learning about Egypt. I started learning about Africa. I started learning about Kemet. And hey, man, I put all the racism to the side, and I saw what they were using against us, man, to keep us in hate, keep us in fear, man. We ain't no hateful beings, man. We are not ether beings, and we don't play, man. You feel me? So don't be a slave, man, to compulsiveness, man. Don't be a slave to compulsiveness. Take over these elements. Use these elements. Know these elements inside of you, man. All directions, man. Come on, man. You know what you can do? You know what you can do if you master these things, man? You know what type of miracles you could do if you master these things in your life, bro? Like, come on, it's time to take charge, bro. It's time to take charge of the fire in your groin, the fire in your belly, the fire in your mind. It's time to take charge, baby. It's time to take charge. And how will you could live? You know how you can live? How consciously and how much by choice you can live if you take control of this? You feel me? This is not about denying yourself this or that. Don't deny all this. This is just about everything happens by choice for you, not by compulsion. If you control this, bro, come on, man. You got to take charge of these elements, man. The most fundamental form of yoga is taking charge of your elements, mastering self, practicing patience, practicing Self-love. That's what yoga mean, man. Control these 5 elements. Get these 5 elements in. I love y'all, man. Thank y'all, fans. I wanted to drop that for y'all to let y'all know, man, you can manifest way more than 2 things. You can manifest trillions of things. You can manifest whatever you want, bro. You can manifest whatever you want, guys. Let's get this, man. The air that you breathe, the food that you eat, the water that you drink. If you could just give thanks to these things. If you could, because this everything. This the energy that just transmits in your body. This the energy that goes in your body to keep you going. So you know you need this. Without you getting this energy, you would be a veterinarian. So other than that, man, hey man, you need to, hey man, give thanks to this. Give thanks to your breath. Give thanks to your air. Give thanks to the things you eat. Give thanks to the water. And man, just give thanks, man. Today we know we can influence them just through thought, emotions, and intention. Or energy. You can influence water. You feel me? You can influence these elements. You can tap into the earth. You can tap into the fire inside of you. You can transmute things through the food you eat, bro. Come on, let's get it, man. Control your anger, control your fear, control your hatred, control your jealousy. Don't be jealous. Don't be all angry and fear and hatred. Don't have all that in you, man. Yeah, you control this. If you control this, bro, man, you won't never live in misery, bro. If you control this, you never hate, you never be in fear, you never be full of hatred, you don't be all jealous of people. Man, you will never live in misery, man. Come on, man. So how much is all this caused by you? How much fear and hatred caused by you, man? If you look at it, how much is caused by you? It is a minuscule percentage which has been caused from external agencies, man. You heard me? So that means only a little bit of this is coming from external things. Everything else is coming from inside. You just blaming people ain't doing that's words, man. I'm not worrying about nobody's words. You worrying about people's words. People not physically doing you nothing unless you in the Middle East. You in the Middle East, people bombing and warring and all that all day. Then that's something that's external damage all day. You know, you got PTSD. But if it's not that, you doing this to yourself, man. That's all we saying. Come up out that door. You heard me? Get past that, man. Come to the light, man. You feel me? Go up in the darkness, man. Go through the darkness inside, and then when you get through that darkness, you get through all that fear. You're gonna see that light, man. Physical suffering has not been caused to you from outside unless you in the Middle East, baby. Come on, man. This is simple because it is imprinted. It's so deep that you behave in predictable, compulsive ways. Predetermined, compulsive ways, man. Y'all got to stop it, man. It takes a certain amount of awareness, certain amount of shaking you up to respond in different ways. If we cleanse your mind, if we clean it in the morning, by the afternoon, you will have a whole new, better world you living in, bro. You wouldn't even believe this world you living in. The earth that you walk upon, air that you breathe, water that you drink, food that you eat, man, in the sky, 3 times a day, man. Consciously just say you love these things, man. You will have, man, it will come. Your life would just, man, unfold for you, man. Anything that you want, bro. And, man, you will change the people around you by just showing them, and just these teachings of what they should do, man. Man, just show them, man, the real laws, man. Principalities, man. The real laws of love, man. You heard me? Anger. Is anger necessary to face fear, man? For real. Peace, love, and prosperity, man. I love y'all, man. Train y'all brain to do better, man. Always do better. Always be oneness, man. You heard me? Get better at mathematics, get better at physics, get better at chemistry, get better at biology, get better at engineering, get better at computer science, man. Get better at anything that got to do with working with your intelligence and building, man. Just build, man. You heard me? Check out my book, man, God's Success. Check out my book, The Journey. Check out my book, Dear Starseed. Check out my book, 13 Comedic Powers Within, man. I'm not playing. And my daughter got a book, man. I have gratitude, man, all day, man. I'm a loyalty person. I'm very creative. You heard me? I'm very adaptability. You heard me? Do all type of things. I'm very ambitious. I'm very independent. You heard me? I'm very spiritual. I'm very very much of a sense of a humor. Very, very courageous, very kind, you feel me? Very responsible, very authentic, very trustworthy, very forgiveness, very preservedness, very honest, man. You heard me? Just be fair to people, man. Peace, love, and prosperity. I love y'all all.